Girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try. Get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Well, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one? So would you equal to? This is so based on a lucky chance. You should rather add and subtract. You and I could be like Sunny and Cher, honey, there's no. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen. La 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 la. Hey, have you been? I know that it's been a while. Are you tired? 'Cause you've been on my mind, running thousands of miles. Sorry, I know that the line's out of style, but you look so beautiful on this starry night. Loving the way the moonlight catches your eyes and your smile. I'm captivated. Your beauty is timeless, never outdated. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one? So we'll be equal to. This is so based on a love